Welcome back to my series on crystal healing. Today our focus is on carnelian, which is also in the quartz family, and it's like a chalcedony, and it ranges from a light orange to a dark orange to a pink to a red. So there's lots of variations in color, and not a big deal as to which color. It's kind of more of your preference. It's actually one of my favorite because it looks like you found it in a river, and it's just like this beautiful little gem. So I think it's beautiful. But also I love it because I used to be really shy and had a really difficult time talking in front of people. And this little rock has given me the little extra oomph I need for those kind of public speaking. It's actually like a public speaking stone. So if you are one of those people that feel a little timid about things like that, I can't tell you how many speeches, how many first day of school when I was a teacher, this one came with me. I mean, it just was all throughout college. It just became my speaking stone. And so I love that about carnelian. Another great thing about carnelian is it's aligned up with the root chakra, but it's also extremely energizing. So it's got the ability to ground and to energize. Whereas some other things that are energizing sometimes make us feel a little weird, like a little ethereal, a little out there, a little too hyped up. So this is going to ground and energize at the same time. It's very balanced. What's really cool about carnelian is you can use it to clean your other stones. So if you have been doing a lot of work with some crystals and they're just feeling like tired from you, or you maybe bought someone, anytime you buy a new crystal or you've bought a used one, which I don't really recommend buying used ones, especially online, unless you can pick it up in person and go, yeah, this feels okay to me. But if you have purchased something like that, you can put them in carnelian in there with them as you cleanse them, and it's going to give you that little extra oomph. It's also really good for a clear mind. So that's why it's partly so great for public speaking, is it just helps clear the mind, it helps ground you, it helps energize you. It's all the things you need for those kinds of moments where you're speaking in front of others, or even if you're having a difficult conversation with someone. This is a good one to bring along with you, or you're recording a video like I am, or whatever. Anytime you want to have that really clear speaking, it's great to have with you. And the one great thing too, another great thing about it that I've used is it helps speed up the recovery from a cold. So it's not going to keep you from getting sick, but it's a good one to have with you when you're sick and just helps speed up that recovery. And then it also helps bring us a feeling of acceptance of the great cycle of life. So it's just going to help you with that, help any kind of transitioning you're doing as you do your journey into life, and just make you feel connected to those things. So if you're having issues with your root chakra, which I know given the circumstances right now, a lot of people are struggling with, anxiety and worry and stress, all of those are associated with the root. So this is a great one to invite in to help you ground, but also energize. Because I know another struggle for people is just wanting the will to get out of bed, the will to go and do your normal things or come up with something to do. And this is a great one to help with that balance. Again, it's readily available, just like the other ones I've been going and explaining to you. It's not expensive, and it's a great one to add to your collection. I've had this one now for a long time, close to 20 years. Yeah, what? Really? Okay, getting up there. Anyway, I'm sending you love and light. Have a wonderful day.